Hello and welcome to Leo's Lock Pad. I've got to pick a Yale night latch today. I got this in the collection that I got from eBay. When I originally got it, like I said in a previous video, it wasn't working. Key was stuck in it. You couldn't turn it left or right, as you can do now. Still a bit clunky to remove the key. Putting the key in very smooth, and even the action smooth, but pulling it out it's a little bit, you have to pinch it sort of. But we'll soon sort that out. So I'm going to pick it and gut it, and because this is definitely right to make another challenge lock with. The bit in itself is not too bad. Let's get it all set up. I'm going to use a homemade tension wrench and a medium hook. Let's see what we've got. Oh, look out. Fault set already. Definitely a spool in that lot somewhere. And a bit more rotation. Drag my thumbs in the way. And there we go. Well, that was fairly quick. From what I could feel, I think there's about 2 spools. I just felt. No, I remember I stripped it quickly and put everything back in, but I didn't really pay attention. I just put it all back together to make sure it was working. But yeah. Lock it back up. The clip was easy to pop off. And get the keys. And I'll just get a follower. Right, I'll turn it that way. Just to the side a little bit. There we go, I had it upside down, but luckily I didn't lose any of the pins. There we go. Now let's have a look. Standard keeping, serrated steel keeping, another serrated keeping, and the standard, and the standard. Let's have a quick look at what we've got in here. Right, we got, like a chunky serrated standard spool, number 2. Steel serrated, another spool. And another spool. I'm not going to remove the springs, but from what I can see, nothing's been done to the inside there at all. It looks all standard. Definitely no milling or tapping or anything. Let's have a look at some of these pins. As we see, yep, I've got that one there. That was another steel one. Got a steel keeping with a little serrate on it, a little serrated one on the other keeping. We've got 3 spools. Didn't feel that third spool. Felt 2 of them definitely. But not bad really. For the amount of security pins that was in there, it was a very easy pick. Let's look at the core. Core's a bit grubby. Nope, nothing in the core at all. That could definitely do with a couple of those chambers tapping. Oh, wait a minute. I don't know if you can see that. Let me get my torch, but it looks like number 3. There's some type of counter milling all the way down, and there's just the very bottom bit that's not been touched. Yeah, well they're definitely right for tapping, make it a little bit more difficult to lower the bit in this key as well, put a longer pin in. But definitely worth changing into a challenge lock than a standard lock. Oh, there we go. Springs have just fell out. What have we got? Oh, a couple of brass, steels. Yeah, 3 brass, 3 steels. Just grab one quickly. Here we go. We've got 3 brass and 2 steels. But, yeah, be a good challenge lock at some point. Oh well, I hope you like this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe and bye.